How to summon the queen bee in Terraria. So first head into the jungle biome and specifically look for a beehive. So these are what beehives look like. So a distinct honeycomb textured structure hanging in the trees or tucked underground. So you see the blocks right here, those are the beehive and we are inside it currently. So once you are inside it, you'd want to find the larva. So in a beehive, somewhere inside or right next to it, you'll find the glowing larva right here. So what you want to do is just basically break the larva and the queen bee spawns immediately. So make sure you set up your arena and you're ready before you hit it. And just a quick tip, fight her while staying inside the jungle biome the entire time, since if you accidentally lure her outside of it, she enrages instantly and hits noticeably harder than normal. So keep the whole fight contained to the jungle and bring healing potions along. And that's how you basically summon the queen bee in Terraria.